A state is where Ogun State has gone there. Wekpuma grew up together. Is my brother, and I know I have great respect for the office. But Oman who not here one year na muji jingbe or kamuji ni jingbe. Why no mania? If not there, Lunda where Awabi how what's his name now? Lawrence Oka, no state party secretary. Where reside awuya abeku yibare local government chairman agunede wekpuma because of Maja Abuja awaka Abuja re aku yibare ego in all the local government the local government chairman no win aba oyegbemuja imiya no ewu schools creativity innovations everything no emure aku Idiot governor Warentia constitutionally. This is what I'm saying, this is what I'm fighting for. Idiot constitution where the governor can hire and fire a local government chairman. If it is so in the constitution, it is also so where the president can hire and fire an elected governor. Because Utapa or video. So look what Otemere Godwin no say Obaseki Wakamae. I'm not interested in his office, not interested in his seat. Again, Obawaya Wevena or Ujeme Senyopa. I'm more interested in this one. I hold it jealously. So me politics here on my camera, but that thing near sell into all of you. Where I win Muguri, Undama Mugunia, and I will Tony Kabaka made one statement where my enemy in my young winner, where the now primary election. Our primary election will be Obaseki did not win. It was only not close up everywhere. Tony Kabaka now went to Odubu, Yain Sote, where Oman. Dio here, Eminare, Irion Asun. When Somola and Obaseki were sitting down, Yana Giajoy. Yes, a stadium on Asunu in my presence. And Aduka Mame. So I come one where Somola can never be my friend. But Omaga with me, it means nobody who will tie. That is the way I see it. 3 years of banner. Nakitene, Iria Wode Ekenwa Road, Wode Ekenwa Road. 3 years of banner. 3 years of banner. Nagike Wode Sensivio. 3 years of banner for a lot of other things like that. Leventis private rice farm. We wepa wano side that bere wodoni. Government will move you for totally here. Edo State government rice farm. Edo State in a rice farm. Tell the people the truth. It doesn't cost you. It cannot cost you your life. Instead, that's the way I see my life. Would be loyal temata and respect the one I know to be the. I don't know. I don't care for any other human being, but I'm not. It does not deserve respect from any Benima.
As you can hear, brothers and sisters, it is clear that it is clear now that the secret Governor Godwin Obaseki have been preventing not to come out is about to explode. Okay, a pure water be. Listen to that word again. And I have another. I want everybody to share this video right now. Everyone should go ahead and share. Listen to this word, the last word. Listen.
It means nobody who will tie. That is the way I see it. 3 years of banner. Nakitene, Iria Wode Ekenwa Road, Wode Ekenwa Road. 3 years of banner. 3 years of banner. Nagike Wode Sensivio. 3 years of banner for a lot of other things like that. Leventis private rice farm. We wepa wano side that better we done it. Government will move you for too little here. Edo State government rice farm. Edo State in a rice farm.
Amen.
Tell the people the truth.
Amen.
It doesn't cost you. It cannot cost you your life. Instead, I wear temata. That's the way I see my life. Oman would be noya temata and respect the one I know to be the. I don't know. I don't care for any other human being, but I'm not. The man respected one. It does not deserve respect from any Benima. Why I always say.
Wato. We no man respect Gwa. Governor Godwin Obaseki. When Governor Godwin Obaseki is not respecting the palace, he do not deserve respect from any Benima. One chief from the palace echo it out. After so much long time, everybody will say, be patient, be patient, be patient. Finally, any gina ivieladia. Owutuwa bohogbe enonya gwetwe. And we have another one that has finally out. Governor Godwin Obaseki, I don't understand when many people say we respect our kingdom, our palace. Why would some people be working against palace? Number one. If Governor Obaseki, a nigga have come out to tell you Governor Godwin Obaseki is not respecting our palace, why is some of Edo people are respecting Governor Godwin Obaseki? Our palace is not a political palace. So Governor Obaseki cannot be using our palace as a political game in order for him to embezzle and loot and continue to loot. If you think that is enough, I'm ready. I get 3 iPad. See this one, just the record standby, Facebook, YouTube, bah. I get one here. I get my with 12 phone. I ready. Let's play the second evidence. And I want to thank the people of Urenigbe. Today's date is Wednesday, November 27, 2019. This is Mega Comrade. And I want to thank those who have been sharing our video. People are jealous. Mega Comrade is too big. If it's too big and you want to break it down, it will be too big to fail. Like I told people, Governor Obaseki of Edo State is like a wet matches. Wet matches, no matter how you will light it, he not the light. Usana na megbe. Governor Obaseki. Governor Obaseki have no respect for our palace. He have no respect for the people of Edo State. He go to Lagos State. He go to River State. He go to other neighboring states from his workplace in River State to go and be importing people to come and collect Edo job. Governor Obaseki have not done enough, but he think he can destroy more. Edo people, you people are clapping for him. Waak bubone. Awa. Eba. Governor Godwin Obaseki is a problem to Edo State. It's 8-year problem since I've been telling you people. Nobody listen. But now it's coming to clear. If you think what Mega Comrade, when I came out and said, I am from Urenigbe. My father is from Urenigbe. My father is from Ewesi. I grew up in Ewesi and Benin City. Eventually, I migrated to United States of America. And I want to thank the good people of America. I want to thank them for what they have done for me. If not America, I will not have the voice I have today. And I want to thank my family who have went through horror during this 3 years period. Governor Godwin Obaseki is in the 4th year of his administration. He has done nothing for the people of Oriomo. Zero. It baffled me to see Oriomo people who want the people who is even supporting Obaseki. Governor Godwin Obaseki have done zero. Absolutely zero. Not for people of Ewesi. Not for people of Urenigbe. Not for Ugo community. Not for Ibazogbe. Not for anywhere Oromo. Urewa. gorewa. Urenigbe. Ogbe governor Ogbari Port Harcourt, Lagos. So, as we heard from our royal traditional father, traditional chiefs, I think it's Chief Utete Negiabi, wa talk be baba, wa talk be. Oba talk be, he said, "Are you going to Nedagmo are making actor." And I want to play this one more time before I go to the next Obaseki level.
That is the way I see.
Make una share this video.
3 years of banner. Nakiteme, Elia Wode Ekenwa Road. Wode Ekenwa Road. 3 years of banner. 3 years of banner. Nakike Wode Sensivio. 3 years of banner for a lot of other things like that. Right? Leventis private rice farm. We wepa one inside that bed we done. A government will move you for Tuli Edo State government rice farm. Edo State in a rice farm. Tell the people the truth. It doesn't cost you. It cannot cost you your life. Instead, that's the way I see my life. And respect the one I know to be the. I don't know. I don't care for any other human being, but I'm not. But the man respected one. It does not deserve respect from any Benima.
Okay. After that, today, everybody knows Urion people are very honest. The people of Urion are one of the most honest people in Edo State. Mahmudia Yekileminaria, our war. And we am happy today that my community, Urenigbe, where I come from, a lot of Urenigbe, children, they have been ranting online, say, Obaseki. Our father in Urenigbe have finally come out. I look at the video, I call. The reason why I have not played that video for a long time, I called to confirm that video. And I confirm it. I want you all to listen to what Governor Obaseki has been doing to the people of Edo State. This is direct from Urenigbe. And I'm going to play it. I want everyone to be patient and watch and listen very carefully, attentively. Area! Make una share this video. Anywhere Iranomigo go, Akataka, I go. Let's start with this. No, let's start with this. Bam, go.
Arioba Magwalo. Arioba Magwalo. Arioba Furebe. Arioba Magwalo. Arioba Magwalo. Arioba Furebe. Arioba Magwalo.
For those who do not understand Benin, please be patient. We are going to play this. I will interpret it. Just be patient and listen very well. And I want everyone to share the video so that we get to every Benin man. Every Benin man across. We will have 600 now. I want everyone to share it.
So a party now. Wa me every take when my more basekila dia
Tamia.
Even the buru na ya re.
Pede.
When my aso idunga.
Okay.
Give her. The chief ya re wa.
More the very first person in the whole of Edo State to announce Obaseki.
Okay.
Meyano. In Mehoni Yona Tamwa when Kakio Tio Magba a favor ni or me Obosalobwa. Ekenimu di ayine Obosalobwa koyi.
If you people see that prayer, he said, wherever he stand, that is where God always approve. That is to tell you, mega comrade have stand in this land for almost 3 years now. All our father and the rest, Obaseki must go. I am the first person that told the Edo people, Obaseki is a bad one. Now everybody is coming to my side. All People Freedom Movement. All People Freedom Movement. The most powerful movement in the globe. I have not borrowed it. Over the PFM here for almost 3 years. That is where people are now running to. See what I'm saying? Go on.
Oshomola wati metamare we ni namu na Obaseki. Ina we teme wo dubu we wo yekwe. Be matter say wo yekwe.
For those who don't understand Benin, it is narrating how Obaseki become a governor. The first man that came out and said they want Obaseki, how Oshomole brought Obaseki over Odubu. I will explain that. I want everyone to listen and listen attentively. Let me tell you, brothers and sisters, if you are for Obaseki and you are watching right now, you want to come here and constitute nuisance by writing or commenting Boko Haram commenting, I will kick your ass out of this platform. I don't have time for bullshit. You know what I'm saying? So you better sit down there and listen attentively. Okay? If your goddamn head is malfunctioning, I will fix it for you by kicking your ass out of the platform. Okay? I believe I make myself clear to you. 4 + 4. Egba.
Ina gele ade, ina do wana Obaseki wana. Ari we anagele mu amun Obaseki. Adi unia Obaseki na we na gbina na ma ya gbina na e mana. Ami mi okpa ma na ma wu na ya mi mi so wo we tagele we na gwa we leso we na wu we na so bo ama wende
Olobesi.
Asa meze bamu no ya win.
Where's Baba? The elders are now coming out, telling the whole world that if it was genuine election, Obaseki will not win. That they pour what they call it mud water and add it to clean water. That is how Obaseki become a governor. Listen.
Then ari we nenia yori gbagbo yakia. Owe ye o da se yo we awa nwinane dado wa to kai wa ya wa to wa ayi ti wa ayi ekiri wa na nwinani wa ayi wa ewo. You know, I didn't know if you bare. Oh, yeah, go, Mama go ni ma. Ni minguna ni manguna, why ni ma? Okay. A contractor maybe. Correct. And I will apply. Okay, you publish. Apply. Me to be me apply. You primary school already do me evidence. You now apply you only apply it's close to 500,000. Can you imagine? They apply. Now if you big when you have your here. Kuna we kena mana di bae efia no awo yi ye mu na me ni anwuna ye anwuna na miewo e ma no be lega ya fe ya be mie. Okay, but I was surprised. Obi gbo mu e na yera obi gbo e school no read me na mu no igbo e school no read igbo e school that is in Origbe. After this innocent father spend more than 500,000 naira to apply for a primary school contract. Alleged, according to them, they said there are more than
100 people that apply for it. Times 500,000 naira. Times 100. Obaseki is architect of Ponzi scheme. I told the people. He work in what we call a financial firm in United States, in Chicago. That financial firm was closed down by the FBI. The financial firm Governor Obaseki worked at is closed down by the FBI. It's not a coincidence that Governor Obaseki is not running towards America. Instead, he's running towards Chinese. Go to China News. The Chinese now know how to call up. China can't speak. With those state money. They want call it, they'll say, I say, oh boy, area. When I see him, my belly drop. Listen.
It's going to read me, and I'm going to read. It's all how I have Munana, Edo State. It's all higher from Porakot.
Now, when he say Igbo, he mean Porakot Igbo. He say now Obaseki wife family from Port Harcourt. Now remember, as it is in wife, we never go there. We not go talk that one. So that is who Obaseki. Wait, he called the imported from river, from Lagos, from Burkina Faso, what do they call them? Guinea Conakry, Fulani, yes, man. Go ahead.
But I was surprised. Owibo Muena. Owibo. It's going to read me, and I'm going to read. It's all higher by Munana, Edo State. It's all higher from Porakot. You know, Edo State, Yafe, what we call that Namuna Yafe. If you were here, Yoruba of your. So, my man, I mean, Ukwe, oh, yeah, good, all right. Hello, woman. And there are big when a dead beer. I don't probably that we bear. So, and a woman. Well, you okay, my mistake up, to boy Oshomole on our way. A mistake in make Nala or Naregu. Or maybe
wait, Mona Lisi. He said APC national chairman. Breaking news. Oh, but where are we? And we are dead with go by people. Area. And we are go. Breaking news. Mega, the tiger and the lion combined. We are like where? My people. Tori don't get killed. I can't believe Babala be a regular as I talk a lie. Go Joro Palace. No wonder we'll never see have a palace for him. People they know how to tell the truth, not be all of them. But I wait halfway. I'll go. Percy way one toilet, I'll go to Oriomba. Now him come be the first Oriomba. Imagine that. No wonder. People when Obaseki come the call now. Ariel Ekute. Mama Nyogwe. Enye gite no campaign bana go phone. Awe Mama Nyogwe. Igbara. Hold on, Baba Sako ta F-way gafia wori. Let's draw it back. Let's push it back. Serila Bikula come by Serila come for me. Oh, it I not the baby even know you. He. So Obaseki. Kwagia ta. Tamio.
Yoruba of your. So, my man, I mean, Ukwe, oh, yeah, good, all right. And a woman. And there are big when a dead beer. I don't probably that we bear. So, and a woman. Well, you okay maya a mistake yeah to boy Oshomole ona we a mistake he make na la ho na good obe ye kwa ba ayin ya o but omo ba ka ha we ku yo e kaka.
Wait, breaking news. He said Oshomole have went to the palace to go and beg our Oba, the Oba of Benin. Oba Atope! He said Oba Atope! He said Itai. Breaking news. APC National Chairman Adam Ali Oshomole have went to the palace to beg the Oba of Benin that he's sorry. He's sorry for bringing Obaseki as a governor. Because when he brought him, they told him no. But Oshomole said yes. Our father said, okay, I give you blessing. He even went to go and meet Obaseki in his office. At the end of the day, Obatiebo, Enika Ogwina, Erimana Owa, Owi Emaye, Age Nonedo, Okbeni Wine to Seni. Wage go Velekwa, Tafu, Ta, Etare Baba, Tafu. Gwe Besha Yiki, get what tani. Mudia.
Arona ni mana we mi ukwe, Owi Eku, alright. Ela woman. Ede agbe ne de na gbe na. Ede we ko be de gbe ya. No
be na mi go dey talk.
Woman. Me o iye yo. Okay maya a mistake yeah to boy Oshomole ona we a mistake he make na la ho na good obe ye kwa ba ayin ya o but omo ba ka ha we ku yo e kaka omo ba we ku Oshomole na ayin ya mi o anu ma se na ya ayin ye omo ko we ri oma o ya ro yin reju ne ya ayin ya we no la ho no ya bi okay ma ri ono so we ya be ya pore o ri ono ya
sorry Oshomole sorry
no ya Oshomole na we na la na ya bi you be sa ya pore o
una here now Oshomole have been going from our palace to Enige, begging, putting his knee on the ground, begging, sorry, forgive me for bringing Obaseki. Forgive him for bringing Obaseki. Oshomole have been begging everywhere, traditional ruler, forgive him for bringing Obaseki. Forgive him for bringing, you hear it now. Because they told him, Obaseki is Ogyomba, is a son of Obaseki that betrayed Ovorame. That son of Ovorame for a mirror. We don't want him. Oshomole said the guarantee. As Obaseki now started to be destroying Edo, Oshomole, they call Oshomole, you see what you brought for us. Oshomole now started. Everybody they blame Oshomole, blame Oshomole, blame Oshomole, blame Oshomole. But I don't know suffer. Well, Oshomole don't suffer for this ungrateful man called Godwin Obaseki. How can that? It's not mega company talking. No, these are the people on ground. The Benin, the men that matter in Benin, people on ground. Hey, you mean? That time, yeah,
Eriono, mwa ni yo, ana na ya bi, ana wo ma mwa oye erioni ma ho. Yen wa ho we eni eru o ma keni ma la 3 years gba ni the fourth one amobo yin na. Emi keno la wa ni wa ni yo pa do ri iru ni gbe wa. Oshomole odubu ta po ni ma. No. Ebi ya fe na wa e ni dis iru e wo na. Odubu Oshomole odubu owe. No. We ma wo ma we no yiri yo.
Obaseki supporters, you heard the question the elders asked. What have Obaseki done for the Uronigbe community? Can anybody tell me one thing? What have even common pure water have Obaseki gave Uronigbe community for going 4 years now? Pure water. The only road in Uronigbe was done by Adam Ali Oshomole. He asked Odubu to do it. Odubu did not complete it. That is why I get angry. Then Oshomole came back and said, Odubu, this is your road. And he did it. Oshomole, Adam Oshomole, Osho Baba, Osho Quick, Osho Weli. Oshomule, pepete, where, pepete. Common sense, not common. Federal and state who get power pass. Federal and state who get power pass. Meh. Why are you in Nigeria? Why on social media? Why I can't pay? Unagosun, I'm happy. I'm happy that there's a club now. No going Nigeria club. I'm the first person Obaseki put in that list. So the people when they campaign for Obaseki now, their name they go take behind me. My own are 3 years now. So if Oshomole person win, their list, it take a cold day, no go Nigeria. Then they make Shakara, they go home. What the balance around me go down? No home, no Nigeria. If you want come campaign. Una need there. Kabaka will just wait for now. Baka. Oshomole go just carry federal police. Hold on, Baka. Wade. Akobe. Vera Kobe. Akobo Shomole wa Tony any oye. Egaze. Oh, quite. Why we not coming bava? Why? Why me no gwalo? Oshomole wo hayare ge. Why me? Ebuari awalai in Tinubu yo. Una will come be 12 years no go in Nigeria. 12 years. Iranomigo will be 3 years and a half. We go see. Una don't enter the list. They not say I will work high work on guy. So far me wha no yago. They not say make una come. We una never reach now. They put mouth. Let's say that. Federal and state. Who they control airport? Not the federal. Who they don't. We don't get meet you. They meet the new club now. No going Nigerian club. Now mega company be the chairman, president. Banned from Nigeria. Like I'm the president. I know they had by. So we don't get people from behind me now. So now me go. Now me they call for that time for advice. Hey pa, the one with the year. We have a like what they were. He that we be as a way. I roll that as a table. Which if which craft can give food make a pikin chop? As a call they say, Mama, Mommy, where we then? I say my pikin. That's why I say abo. I roll as a table. Oh, Agualigo. Una they look for billion. Una one rich. One make away boy. You want to take we go. One Agualigo here. Who are just pigeon? What? Where ticket me go in Nigeria? Where ballon it be me lavo? Wow we pa. My we down worry Nigeria with Wakaye. What now when you wa a witness mort. Ya wa viol airport. Ya wa a call even. Vino Baseki got to control Lagos airport well, control Abuja, control Port Harcourt, Niage, do state of back of phone on our meeting. What making a few boy? What's it for platform? Ima was scanning, bright. Oshomole say, if you repent, all your sin will be forgiven. May repent today. All my sin happy forgiven. Area. And we are dead by go. Yeah, we pack. What I mean, go through. Why get it down? A policy very well. I could ninya shawoni. As now they talk of Ije Lekute, Mama nowhere. Would have forgot they continue. Would have followed your enter this political saga because money. Why do I tell you? Okay, let's go.
Emi keno la wa ni wa ni pa no ri ni gbe wa. So mo le odubu ta po ni ma. No. Ebi ya fe na wa ni ne si we bo na. Odubu so mo le odubu oye. No. We ma wo ma we no yiri yo. Papa le o we la wa dia. Ni ma ri o ma no enegbe no eno wa. No we set ma we tutie o we dokun ni ma. Oh my God, my own here, the governor. Okay. So, ma, over like now, yeah, I was soon. Yeah, on a name for one of my lack of adi. Or Ligi, well, no, yeah, no, why you quickly now? No, Ozan, no, what, yeah, away, away, they PC Marina here. Yeah, so boy, PDP. Okay. On our the chair, their chairman, Chief Danobi. I will talk PDP men, including Yamu, the meeting. Iyana we no ona yana we no dey 6 billion
6
not
billion.
Ona kweyo ona the advance of 3 billion ona the chairman. On your
You heard that? Breaking news. Godwin Obaseki, when the people that put him in power told him, after he refused to give them job, he refused to give them contract, he was importing his wife family, his crook, Ponzi scheme member, like the chief of staff, Tao Akiyole. Obaseki went ahead and paid. He went to PDP to get a ticket. He went there. Danobi, everybody knows Danobi. Everybody knows him. Danobi have never suffered in his life. He has never suffered in his life. He don't know what is called cocoyam. Chief Danobi, he hold PDP hostage. And I told him the other day, I said, if you do not come out and change your character, you will destroy PDP. Everybody will leave it for you. Is what I predicted have happened. Even Pastor Osage Izeyamu, my brother, was in the meeting. When Obaseki arrived there, PDP told Governor Godwin Obaseki, Chief Danobi, and said for him to get automatic ticket, he should pay them 6 billion. 6 billion would be Edo State money. Now they clap hand. 5 plus 4. 4 plus 4. How you put Obaseki paid 3 billion. He said after he won nomination, he will give them the balance 3 billion. Information have reached me that Obaseki is immediately Pastor Sage Izeyamu resign, and then Obaseki no say he don't finish. Obaseki can't they call Danobi. They say people go meet and say, may they return the 3 billion. No hope for her. Danobi now, they don't want to return money. That one. Now we hear big fight to PDP now. He collect money from may I not involve anybody. He don't call Danobi don't collect money from 3 people for ticket. Obaseki now. He don't know when he's confused. He's a man with no party. Governor Godwin Obaseki is a man with no party. Wait, listen. Don't be me talking. Wait, make una hear from the people on ground. Nobody can say now, hey, amigo, you did there. Wait, these are the caucus. When they make politics, they go forward. The marrow, the bone marrow of politics in Edo State. These are the
away DPC Marina yeah so PDP. Okay. Ona the chairman yana Duku. I will top PDP men, including Izeyamu a meeting. Diana will not 6 billion, not again. Ona the advance of 3 billion on the chairman. On your side, is I'm not back. On our way, our esum is
okay. Break it. You hear why Pastor Sage Izeyamu left PDP now? You can hear now. After PDP collected 3 billion, Pastor Sage Izeyamu said, no. This will never work. I will not be in this party. That is why he left PDP. I clap for you, my brother. This is what I've been telling you to do. Stand up. I clap for you, Pastor Sage Izeyamu. Okpeahi tama ena wapa. Uyu tama we ya nwena, ebu we ya nwena na. Obaseki ke ni wo pa we ni double. Many ra mi wo waru lele lo here. Otema hi. Okbeni ke sofa. Iwa aru lele lo here. Hey mi vetana. Ameni memu abi yele kute na ya ha ahye ogbe agbahari ya no we a ameni memu oigbe okpahari ya ni awe gonori agoro kwekwe no ruwe ni okpe oipo ba se kin anu dai won ga gwa yan we gbe ta baba
yeah the chairman on your side is I'm not back. On our way, our esum is a going back. On our way, party or APC in Russia, so, unwe mana rumoga no mata ho rumono. Yeri na do ta mima imado mata gele wano. Over 3 billion. Oh, we had a go we had no one. Over 3 billion go back. Where I think I will let some way or the other 3 billion or the again by 6 billion. Is the Yamana our or not back? Only you to me. And I'm going to time from now. Why me ought to become fully at the APC. So, Orima Kano, or you will Orima, you know. Baba. So, you tell you, on your tell when PDP may away. Say Yamu, your power when you are taking me away. I have no one by on your fool. That's the water. I want lie or why I got. Oh, good. Mammy, no, Mammy Mataba, no kind. Man, where APC next level. On your Babaya Lapu. Wari, my woman, Umewa Yoni Lapu, next level. I went next level. I was 3 plus 1. Why do you what they cannot put you by? Okay, okay, then Makoyo Aquania. Very nice, only nice to we all. Oh, my Romeo. All right. Ureli be de taco, my papa de taco. Eh, Ureli be de taco. Why itamu wa iralobigo unato the science wala he said Obaseki na 3 plus 1. So when you go say less level you say Obaseki 3 plus 1. He said when Governor Obaseki said he don't get mushroom for inside ear. Say you know why he word. He said they go collect the one. Come on, they go throw that out with this theory wait really be akaba. Yeah, Davioda, here we wanna carry. Here we get and they do it for social media. My people they do it for grant. What would that? I never see. They could share this video. Share this video. How many we get now? 1,200, 1,000. More than share this video. 3 no here. What about that? All right, Makoyo Aquania. Very nice, only nice to we all. Oh, my Romeo. My all right, 3 no here. Oh, Mano the Kenny, so he said if Obaseki refuse to listen to Showule, the rebellion 1 year, they will collect and give Shaibu. Pay Shaibu finish her. Oh, okay. My people, Tori don't get K-Lego. When you see governor come they run to Mama Nyowe, Mama Lekute, all repentant human traffickers, all repentant central, all repentant prostitute. When Obaseki now run to them for campaign, then you know say Obaseki don't enter inside Oyegbe. Obaseki don't enter inside woman's skirt. Iya Oyegbe, ya nyuhe yo hune. Okwa nyuhe yo be hune ogefo. Ikia. Okay, I got we unu Any ayo bogbe. Ha, amigo. Okpenyeti dami owe. Kami Mama Nyowe. Mama Nyowe mudiana. Every anya knocking pure. You don't see how they cook a pure or a Gucci Versace soup. Once you chop her, they don't arrest Obaseki. Mama Nyowe club. Let's play the second one. Listen. You never start. Wait. Go on. Stage 2.
Small, really, really hands. APC!
Next level!
3
plus 1.
I want to know who no go about. Look at me. Look at us all go. Not what I meant be. na me platform togi amata this Obaseki na tamota Obaseki why we be south zero ona so Obaseki origbe malina why we yo
okay nothing one question people have been asking. Tell us where even Saturday Wulewe, the casket man, aeroplane casket, brought a list of what he have done. Osagbawo, you have told me they will bring it, they will give me a list in Washington DC. Oh, now wash. They not give me one list. Obaseki have not done anything. People don't they bring their list. Say this is what we did, this is what we did, and this is what we did. Obaseki cannot bring one thing that he have done. I beg, pack and go.
Yeah. Oh, nearly 100,000 on the floor. See, you hear that?
You hear that? What Obaseki, Governor Obaseki is capable of doing, he say anytime they want a meeting, he will not pay them thousands of naira, million, to come and shoot gun. That is all he does. And that is how he's doing it in Ring Road today. 3 of his cabinet called me yesterday. I questioned them. 3. I questioned them. I say, have you not heard that Governor Obaseki boys are shooting gun in House of Assembly every night? That he gave them money to go and buy more ammunition. He said, they hear him. You hear him? Are they shooting gun? He said, yes. Is opposition shooting gun? I said, no. I said, now only una they shoot gun now. Now only una. Commissioner of Police did there. Brigade commander did there. Nobody did talk. Anywhere people want hold meeting, Obaseki go carry people, make they go to shoot gun. Ammunition. Now Obaseki they spend money put. Omuria. Wait, the secret one come out. Mona yera. I don't want talking.
Nearly 100,000.
He say 150,000 naira each person made them they shoot gun. Wait.
Obaseki why we be south zero. Obaseki origbe malina why we yo
nothing am I
the away so ladia owo adromiti nearly 100,000 on the floor. See, adromiti meeting you adromiti me ado mefa ado Obaseki why we be yeah what me truth amata. Check your mind. And now we will do about pizza. And now we will have time. I think my time will super no regret. Obaseki why you nothing. No, don't be frank. I'm a school of I'm a people's child. Why you I'm now mudia odamota ko amota odaoye amota ode amota ima mujali oh no person no go to the governor where he trust you I want to hold you down who like governor who don't want to I want to go mujali on money walking my Edo State, the first time in Edo State, I'm chairman. NDC board of NDC.
Okay. Wait, stop. You people remember when I came out and told you that Obaseki is trying to bring down what our father have worked for. Obaseki is the first governor that fought against Palace. And he's going to say it right now. This is not mega comrade. Evidence is with me now. It's not a coincidence that you don't see Obaseki in the palace anymore. Obaseki is Orionba now. Orionba. The people on ground said it already. Our father, Buhari, he listened to our father. Obaseki said Allah. He was bribing by what they call Akpabio. He was bribing Akpabio to take Edo Palace to court because that position was given to the palace. Say, may they come out and say, not be our time. Not be our time for chairman. The first time the chairman of NDDC come to Edo State. Eri Obaseki he will say, Wadamio, Wageta, Wageta, These are people on ground. Let's listen.
I want to hold you down. Who like governor? Who don't want to I will not burn Mujani on money walking my head. On one Edo State, the first time in Edo State, Mame Chairman, NDC board of NDC, a city governor, on Mother Court, where a mercy might be on money walking to deputy governor, we were on Paseki, no petrol for me. We are here, Calabar. Or even the other most yelling, but a flippy, or a book, no picture. No way. Or even the other flip, I must come and flip in the belly. Natural. Unayera. Do you remember, say, now Philip was the name of the British white man that led the destruction of Benin Kingdom, that took over to Calabar? So, this Edo people on ground say after Obaseki went to go and bribe other states that they should remove that chairman. And who will take follow body? Now Philip. Mama call ye. Iru renigbe no hani go gbe ma kon ya bero there. Una yera na. Na Philip carry over me. Who na him papa carry over me. Who Obaseki son come bring come to? Na Philip. History have repeated itself. Deja vu all over again. What a better.
Yes.
We are here, Calabar.
No.
No, only a deputy governor, we were on Paseki, no petrol for me.
Yes.
We are here, Calabar.
No.
Or even the other most yelling, but a flippy, or a book, no picture. No way. Or even the other flip, I must come and flip in the belly. Imagine what I say. Even the other flip in the belly. Oh, man, you walk your door. Oh, you're so now, but any more time by your time. It's a leader or tower time. You are my friend. Where tell no pure and you carry. Men who go out of your Saroya. Why are they? And I might be good there. But you don't know. So, on tower time. Oh, I wanna. Obaseki is not a member of PDP. It's not a PDP member.
Yes.
So it's not a PC member any longer.
Period.
Our level name is doing at the party.
Correct. Yes.
Anybody who live in South where the meeting number is not at the party.
Party, yes.
Because 3 million penny.
3 billion.
3 billion of penny. 3 billion. 1 million into 1,000 or 1 billion.
1 billion.
Obaseki has fed us. He has fed the time being kingdom. He has fed the south. So for that, no,
He said Oshomole have begged, and the Benin people are ready to forgive Oshomole for bringing Obaseki. For Obaseki to take our palace to court, directly or indirectly, he has been declared by the people of Edo State as Ohiomba. Unayera. Not be me talking. Go on.
Ẹgbọ́n náà ó dì lọ́sọ̀ pọ̀ ẹjọ́ wọ̀ làwọn ò lè dùn wọ̀ làwọn on my knees I will kneel down today and talk to you. Yeah, you are. We are no longer with we are with APC. Obaseki is not a people of APC. If you don't hear what I know, why you pick APC? APC! Next level!
3+1. Mr. Follow.
APC!
Next level.
3+1. Nagide na eguite gangwete nagide na
Eguite Ewante. Eguite Ewante. Eguite Ewante.
Orúkọ wa tọ́ o. Ọbaseki. Ọbaseki tó sáré orímọ̀ àwà. Kọ́ Ọbaseki àmàlù ògùn dáná. Èmi ti tẹ́ ojúbù bẹ̀ ní.
Until now say Ranomigo they cost. Not the people when they Nigeria they cost. I ain't your Obaseki won't done. Everyone no more Obaseki power or your Obaseki won't done. No be they call Obaseki bad head so. If na Ranomigo na go do wa. If na Tony Kabaka una go do wa. Okay.
Elidemele no me bele ko fa o ni da. Because it doesn't die. Oh, there. Make it move that time. I went in a we have a movement for a movie. Now, one more instrument that people would agree. Before might be another are you taking a dead and stop? Obaseki, a family here.
Okay.
White family was about was created family do. Somebody got him.
Not by a model.
Got him to boy Tebone. However, family ever.
Yes.
A Pedro.
What this man is saying is true. Obaseki family, not be one. They don't call me say, insult Godwin. May put Godwin Obaseki, not say Obaseki. You hear now people on ground say, you hear them, they go say, cause Godwin. Put Godwin Obaseki, not say Obaseki alone. That is what his family are telling you.
So why the better? White family was about was created family do. Somebody got him.
Not by a model.
Got him to boy Tebone. However, family ever. A Pedro, or two, my session bedo. So why did I have my one? Okay, I'm here. I'm a mamma, someone on my mother, that I said, will be I got anywhere. Oh, course, I did tell my draw. Leader, remember what I want? Oh, she be. Ikonuku onuku muja tunuku ekowaje ma je ni da e fe o fi ko ri e sai ku la so ina eni ya do na no sayo ado it my again odoma ga Allah
will be. Hold on, let me hold this one for now. It's 1 hour right now. Brothers and sisters, as you can see, story have changed. Like I predicted, everything have happened. It is now clear with evidence that Governor Obaseki is either fourth in line or third in line of Ohiomba. But he is the one that took the palace to court indirectly. And he lost in that court already. Obaseki have been declared by Edo people as Ohiomba. Because the appointment that was given by Buhari, Obaseki went and campaigned and lobbied against it. When our father went to Abuja to lobby for that appointment, who is Governor Obaseki? To be fighting against our father. You heard when one chief said it, that who he or she that is not respecting the Oba of Benin do not deserve a respect. You heard it. So, you cannot see everything is clear. As we are speaking right now, Governor Godwin Obaseki and Chief Danobi, they are doing this. He wants his money back. Danobi, you know Danobi. Ofe amwe, ofe amwe mewo, emuyotono, olobo amwe mewo. You can see Obaseki have come to destroy Edo State. And not only that, I want to beg the people of Edo State. If we want our state to be developed, we all need to be honest to one another, like Mega Comrade. So therefore, this is Mega Comrade Investigator Officer Clementine Anomigo Edegbe, the open leader of People Freedom Movement worldwide, Commander-in-Chief of the Defenseless and the Voiceless, the Tiger and the Lion combined, the Akataka, one of the universe, the Enagbe of Orion land, the owner of the Poor Foundation Mobilization Incorporated. Area, my people, anywhere Edegbe go. Anywhere Edegbe go. Akataka. Today's date is Wednesday, November 27, a day to Thanksgiving. God bless America, sweet home, sweet home. God bless America, sweet home, sweet home. I'll see one way. Mr. Godwin Obaseki took Edo people to court. Obaseki should come out and explain himself about the 3 billion naira down payment for Edo State PDP out of 6 billion naira bribe for him to get 2020 PDP governorship ticket. Governor Godwin Obaseki autocratic corrupt government is not acceptable. Obaseki must go, join and support the most powerful and fearless movement, People's Freedom Movement worldwide, PFM. Support the most courageous, fearless, authentic whistleblower of all time, Mega Comrade Clementine Anomigo Edegbe, and say no to corruption, no to corruption Ebola, no to terrorism, no to xenophobia, no to human trafficking, no to oppression, no to police brutality, no to injustice, no to killing of innocent Nigeria, no to fraudster government like Governor Godwin Obaseki, no to political recklessness, no to vote buying, no to election fraud, no to election manipulation, no to illegal deportation, no to corrupt charity, no to corrupt pastors, and no to abuse of power. That being said, this is Mega Comrade. Couple of days ago, I got an information that Governor Godwin Obaseki is now using Edo State Police Command to destroy his opposition. When I got the information, I personally picked up my phone. I called the alleged officer that was involved. And I want to make this clear to you today. I have spoken to the officer, the high-ranking police officer, which I'm not going to mention name. We spoke for about 20-25 minutes today. He has explained his own side of it. And I will report to those who this issue concern. And I've made Edo State Police Command understand that People Freedom Movement have turned a blind eye and a deaf ear to them because we do not want to create problem between them and Obaseki. If they continue this barbaric behavior of police brutality in Edo State, we will narrate them. We will narrate them. We have nothing to fight them. We don't have money. But we will blow whistle on any illegal activity that they are doing. So therefore, I hereby call on individual, if you have the Commissioner of Police phone number in Benin, send it to my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is +1 469 618 2990. I repeat, +1 469 618 2990. And I need the brigade commander phone number as well. These are the two numbers I need within the next 24 hours. I trust my people. And I need the IG phone number without delay as well. The Inspector General of Police. We are going to file our complaint to let them know that the police is a friend to everyone. It's not to Obaseki alone. We want Governor Godwin Obaseki to come out. All these allegations, he should come out and clear himself. His family have confirmed. We know that Obaseki is gone. Obaseki is a gay that is not supporting gay. He's a hypocrite. He's a hypocrite. Obaseki is bringing Yoruba, going to River State to bring his wife family to come and occupy. And I want to ask Obaseki, give me a minute. Give me a minute. Let me quickly read this to you people. Obaseki. Or tomorrow I will talk about that one. Let me leave it. No. Next tomorrow. On Friday, we're going to talk about that one. Obaseki, when he left Washington, D.C., Governor Godwin Obaseki told Edo people that he's going to restructure his cabinet. He fired all SA. Many people, two of us. Did Obaseki fire all Edo State people that is working for him as SA? Yes or no? Yes or no? Answer me. Of course, yes. Okay. And Obaseki also promised that within 30 days, he sent Osarodion Oge SSG to do unthinkable thing. Give me 1 second. Osarodion Oge came out. Let me quickly say this. 53 days ago, 53 days ago, and it's been 53 days, has gone. Obaseki afraid to appoint new aides. Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State indirectly and directly terminated the appointment of all his senior special assistants and special assistants with immediate effect 53 days ago. In the statement made, quote, to journalists in Benin City on Wednesday, the secretary to the state government, Mr. Osarodion Oge, said, I quote, within 30 days, within the next 30 days, a new SSA and special or whatever it is will be appointed. Oge said the development was in line with effort to reorganize the government structure to enhance service and delivery to Edo people. Oge said that more than 56 days now, up till today, we are now gathering information that Obaseki have brought Yoruba, River State people as a temporary assistant without announcce. He's paying his white people. He chased Edo people out of job and bring foreigners. What else do you want Obaseki to do? He has destroyed Edo State completely. Obaseki is a problem to Edo people. You know what I'm saying? If you think what I'm saying is not true, just go to Edo State and ask. As you are speaking right now, go to government Osadebe Avenue. It's River people, Calabar, Yoruba, and other foreigners. The next people he like is Chinese. is use what we call photography, videography. Anybody that is using picture to promote himself, you know, it's finished. No physical evidence. As you understand, a couple of days ago, Saturday Wulehui cry out. We are not going to talk about that today. So let me just leave that in Friday. That being said, brothers and sisters, I have done it all. I have done my best. Obaseki is a mistake to Edo State. He's not going anywhere. Oshomole brought him. Oshomole should take Obaseki out. Adam Aliu, comrade Adam Aliu Oshomole, brought Governor Godwin Obaseki. We are happy he have begged our father. He have went to the palace to beg them. And the palace are forgiving Adam Aliu Oshomole. And he have went to all Edo leaders and begged them. Well, everybody deserves third or this is Oshomole third chance. Me myself, I have not gotten one chance. So we all love Oshomole for understanding that who he brought is a problem. For about a few days now, nobody have come out to say Obaseki is not a gay. He should just come out clean. We love him for who he is. He's my Edo brother. I love him as an Edo brother. I hate his hypocrisy. I hate Obaseki radical policy. Obaseki is a gay. It's confirmed. We are storing video how he walk. You can see after I say that they went to go and arrange one girl to come and put breast. He should come to Holland or he should come to Germany so that they can put breast in our body, make the thing deceive people. If he walk like a gay, he talk like a gay, he throw his hand like a gay, he throw his hand like a gay, he's a gay. If he bark like a dog or he talk like a dog, it's a dog. Simple and clear. I'm a raw man. It's true. So, Godwin Obaseki, you have finished Edo State. And information have reached me that if you continue to behave the way you are behaving now, immediately you leave office. Now, EFCC, you they go. Straight. Straight. So, my Edo people, I love you all. I want you all to know that I have tried, I have done my best. I have tried. We have a lot of information. 2 weeks to election. My people will bring the information. Boom. Many people say, whoa, before Obaseki want to spend his money, he should spend it. We are ready. Corrupt government of Godwin Obaseki will not stand. It's doomed to fail. We are ready. It will not stand. Obaseki will chase me out of my own fatherland. You people want to kill me, Abi? Me, I will come to Nigeria so that you people will just kill me. Kill me and share my blood and drink it. Why me make boa? Tell your thugs, may they kill me, Obaseki. I go come tell your neck. I go come. Me dear Donny. Kilak boyo boyo you be one yo. Idiot don't walk be one. Walk below man. They could not kill me. I am coming. Enough is enough. Who are you know? Where you know? One Obaseki boy. Where you know? Our boy, Tony Washington. If I ball out be Odafi Yelekute. Yelekute, I campaign wife. We move. Yelekute. Neman seti bakara. I campaign wa. Ewa when I have Obaseki phone. E correct like me Yelekute from palace to Yelekute. Hey, here they block you. He block you. He own our west soil. If you don't sue the Obaseki. Akataka area anywhere that we go. My people, so if you are living in the United States I wish you all happy Thanksgiving. Tomorrow is our New Year, Christmas. In America, a lot of food, a lot of things you can see. I did not curse anybody today because we are about to celebrate a good day in America, right? So we are happy that everything is out now. Governor Obaseki is Ogyomba, and thank God we now know Obaseki is a gay. And you should start respecting gay. So, all I'm begging Oshomole, please, you have taken that power from Oriomo, put it back to where it belongs to. Oriomo child. We don't care anybody but Obaseki, but you have to come from Oriomo. I want people to understand now, not be tomorrow. If you not come from Oriomo, they'll say, Iran amigo, yesterday you did with Oshomole, because some of you people that will come and watch this video, they are fools. If they are not fools, why would they allow the Yelekute? I will be again on my way or we camp in Obaseki. You can see the two people in America who is educated, at least basic education. Let's leave the rest. We are campaigning for good governance, for development, for the right people. Look at me and see my son Bush Lion. But what are the rest people doing? They are going for money. 100 million. Obaseki, they share money today. They share money today. They share money today. And all of them, they campaign. Some are angry that that I did not accept their proposal. I'm for the people. I'm for the poor. Obaseki should go and rescue our children from sub-Sahara Africa. Period. It's not negotiable. You know what I'm saying? So that is it, my people. If you know Obaseki, go and talk to him to stop spoiling our money. Simple. He already buy a vessel. It's loading crude oil. What they call Antawo is the richest youth in Benin. So that is it. We have to be honest to ourselves. So that is the fact, brothers and sisters. That being said, I want to personally thank God Almighty. Thank my lovely brother who has stayed firm and consistent. I want to thank Destiny. God bless you. Thank you. You officially paid the 1,000 to, I don't want to mention his name. He's now owing us 51,000. The day he put 1,000 in my account, 1,000 naira, I returned the 1,000 naira instantly. But he still go on social media, I'll be talking about it. He want attention. I don't have time. I don't have time for that. I'm doing the real deal. So Destiny today went ahead and paid 1,000. Everybody know what I'm talking about. So I don't have time. Taju have spoken to me, and I listened to Taju in Canada. So now he's owing us 51,000 naira. But that's fine. It's okay. That is it. One thing I want to tell the people: don't let Obaseki deceive you and say it's not sharing money. It's eating our money anyhow. Bullet, they chop our money. Bullet, now they chop our money. So that is it. And our brother, when they go ring road, they should go and beg. Make una take and miss you. Make una take and miss you. Who get today, not get tomorrow. That is how I talk. So that is what I said. Who get today, not get tomorrow, my people. So I am begging everyone, please take it easy. Okay?
I don't say money, our money. I see you on the chop on Yara. Enjoy the chop on Yara. They got the chop on Chafu. Our money. I don't say money, our money. God be the chop on Yara. Enjoy the chop on Yara. Lagos people, Yara. If you go where God Godwin. Ìjọ lè ṣẹ́ra yàrá-yàrá, ìjọ lè ṣọ́pá yàgò-yàgò. Àwọn àmọ́ni ẹjọ́ sí ìrọ̀lì. Àwọn àmọ́ni Godwin lè ṣọ́pá yàrá-yàrá, ìjọ lè ṣẹ́ra yàrá-yàrá, Lagos lè ṣọ́pá yàgò-yàgò. Àwọn àmọ́ni ẹjọ́ sí ìrọ̀lì. Àwọn àmọ́ni Godwin lè ṣọ́pá yàrá-yàrá. Because people never if you go where Godwin.
My people, I want to thank you all. If you know where you are watching from, can you just tell me where you are watching from? May the Lord Almighty be with you all. Amy, 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 Amy. How many times I call you? Amy. Once Governor Godwin Obaseki don't come out. To say you come from Eastern or Africa, I for come marry you. Now you have to come marry. All this year likute. Obaseki wa with your Bible. Make I tell you that anybody insult me, I'm the support of Obaseki. Calamity. You are Latin. A pony. I have you. You have your nekerino. You are say you have your high by. There was it. I will ye mom. Wawari nani ye bubu eya mugi Obaseki awe kuno gbebedi unrepentant human traffickers all he campaign na Obaseki phone he fo itama in a way you rather get out of that office or work the work of fame than to work the work of shame. He refused. God bless you. Italiano, Italy is in the house. God bless you. We have someone from Greece. God bless you. We have Japan. God bless you. Holland. God bless you. Netherlands. God bless you. London. God bless you. Esa oye, 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 Esa oye. God bless you. Valencia, Spain. God bless you. I want you all to know South Africa is in the house. God bless you, SA. Ugo, hey, Ugo community, Ugo Bebo, hey, from Belgium. How many people is going to invite me to come and enjoy in this Christmas? You know, I told you people I want to have 3 children next year by the power of God. So I'm requesting for 2 chances. We have 2 chances. From Dallas, Texas. Dallas, Texas is in the house. God bless you. God bless you. Yeah, they are in the house. Our men is coming. Lot is coming to Edo State. Ugu politics. They go teach her what they call Ugu politics. Ugu politics. Already people have spoken. Then go teach her. My brother from Turkey, God bless you. Austria, God bless you. Yeah. Joe Friday from a West town. Uriebela Diava. Hatave si akpasi wato wa wegbegbe. Iye o si wegbegbe. I record way to. Iye o si la too struggle. I have a brother from Russia. Can I come to Russia? I want to come to Russia. Can somebody? I want to travel. I've worked so hard this year, and I want to just travel. Like I told my wife, I said, "Can I just travel?" He said, "That's fine." So I'm looking for. Can you all tell me where I can go? I can go spend 1 week just to relax. 1 week. Can anybody suggest to me from Las Palmas? Can somebody suggest? Amy, where you there, Amy? Amy, where is this Amy? Where Amy na kele? Show piano. And you get the Obaseki ati man. Amy, can you date Governor Godwin Obaseki? Milano is in the house. God bless you. Destiny, my lovely son. Bolivia, yeah, I know they go Bolivia. Where can I go? Toronto, Canada? Where are people suggesting? Canada. Chicago? Chicago, no. I don't want to know Chicago. I think, where is Fred? Brother Fred, where is Fred? Fred is at work. Uwa, where is Uwa? Brooklyn, where is Brooklyn? Do you people think I should go to Brooklyn? St. Petersburg in Russia. You want me to come to Russia so that I can come and say, Persiba. I be not be so. Russia. Russia, I think I will need, I should come to, I don't know, I do it next year. If I get money, Greece will be fine, sir, since you have not visited there. Greece, okay. Serena, my daughter, Greece. You have anybody in Greece? I think I have a PFM member in Greece. Okay, my PFM member in Greece, call me. My brother in a PFM member in Stockholm. I don't want to mention your name. Call me. Send me a message before you call. Wait, I don't want to mention your name. The PFM member that married a Swedish police officer. The PFM member that married to a Swedish police officer. Call me. You hear me? My son, call me. Call me, send me message. You hear me? You that came to meet me in the hotel. I don't want to mention your name. You that married to a police officer. Call me, send me. Just send me your name so that we answer that phone. Okay? Call me, it's an emergency. Okay, people should suggest where I should go. Come to Ghana. Ghana, you go buy my ticket to Ghana. Ghana costs you. I would love to go to Ghana. That sounds good. But do you think I would love to go to Ghana? We use the opportunity to go to that prison and greet and see our people so that we calculate. That would be okay. Tell me where Africa, in sub-Saharan Africa, I will go. Forget about Europe. In Nigeria, boy, seven Nigeria, Uponoda doing it. Bonode, it can pay. I would worry, about me go, Biraman. Yeah, my talk now. If money not come, they're going to wait. Mali, I would love to go to Mali, but I think I have more fans in Ghana. Mali, Ghana. Let's see. Come to Ekmoma. I they come Ekmoma, come Pumpkin. Leave that one, go come next year. I they come there anywhere I born, American passport. I will here then. Bye. Anywhere, whether I will go now, I wish I born. I will be money. Yeah, it's automatic. Hey, God bless America. Hey, when I wake, tell me how my children will suffer. Now, if I even date you, sleep with you, you're supposed to be happy. I don't suffer for this country. You're supposed to be happy. Once I put that Omokbia, that baby boy, orange, don't sound someone. Don't sound someone. Do you want me, my brother for Australia? Oh, but you go one. Am I here? Where is Jeff? Do they want Libya? I should come to Libya. Do I have money to come to Libya? I don't have money for security. I would have loved to come to Libya. We have to arrange that one. We are working on it. Me and Tony Kabaka, we are working on that one. We already talked about it. So we are working on it. I'm talking of West Africa. You the right Iraq. Wait, can make Iraqi? West Africa. But I tell me that Minamo. As I don't want to tell me. Ogwaligo one. Come to Sweden. You send me ticket. Ogwaligo. The great Sandra. We say, Manama Sandra. Sandra. Wa move here. Wa move here. Togo. Sandra, my lovely daughter. All this mama nowhere for Germany and Holland. I call it wrong. They carry me. I don't want near that area. Mama nowhere. Sandra number. Now Togo. Any West African country. I want to go there 1 week. I bet we could take 10 minutes to talk this one. I don't go Belgium tire. I don't tire for Belgium. Belgium not today. I don't go Belgium tire. Can somebody help me? I want to go to Ghana. I was in Ghana. I went to Ghana 1990. 1990, yeah. And 1993. When I was deported, 1993. Yes. So, come to Vienna, Austria. I don't come Vienna. I don't come Vienna, Austria. New Zealand. I like that place too. New Zealand. Who's going to take care of me in New Zealand? Who is going to take care of me? Let's see. Who want to take care of me? Ghana, New Zealand, Which other place? JJ was Germany. Okay, Ghana is okay. Yeah, Ghana. I hear say they tell people do money for Ghana. Oh boy, if you go let person go to Ghana, they will just touch you. You go just turn to money. Happy? I want to go. I would love to go to Russia. 1 week, a place I can spend 1 week. Chad. I love Chad too, but I've not heard about that place. I've never been there. My people, can somebody help me? I will come to Ugo village next year. Mawa mo yekuri woni wakba. Imawa mo ekba. Orion wona we go hold ground there. Now we everyday patrol. Our aleya here. E basic e moto ma e keke e beshi motorcycle won. Our logo ani. Our la lure we la dia. E motorcycle ma wa your 10 motorcycle back. Wa vio wa via wa zo popo mo. Mamo sisu popo mamu. Do I have money to go to Singapore? Senegal, Amy, you are suspicious. Well, Amy now I suspect this woman. Amy, I suspect you. You na bad, God. Amy, Amy now is suspicious. Is suspected. Amy, you are. Everybody is a suspect in my hand. If I go beneath anybody will shake my hand is a suspect. You can't trust anybody. Everybody is a suspect. Let's have a little bit of good time. Everybody is a suspect. You hear me? Everybody is a suspect. Amy, where you there Senegal? Amy, there Senegal. Make it not be say that one, my friend. Oh. Amy, tell me now. Amy, you are a bad person. Amy, send me your number. Send me your Dakar number. If you did Dakar, we'll come to Dakar. You tell my friend. You know I have a very good friend there in Senegal. Senegal will be... Senegal, I want to go either Ghana, Mali, Senegal. But the ticket is very expensive. It's 2,000 plus. 2,000 plus. Yekov ya hatoni ukbonodini hii. Serena, we are agrees in the ticket in Avigangbe. The ticket in Avigangbe, Serena. What you feel good time, man? I mean, 1 week. You can put me in 1 week. 1 week. I based in Germany. Amy, you did. Amy, in Germany, you come there from Bolivia to Germany. Oh, when I was born. So as you don't want to tell me, there's nothing I can do. You people don't want to tell me I have suffered this year. At least I don't ask for 2 tickets now. I 1. So next year Easter, now me and my wife go travel. This one I want to go. I tell my wife I don't get a permission. I want to go and arrange for next year because now 3 children I want next year. 3. Oh, by the power of God. 3 I might just want. Oh, back. So my people, I'm waiting. Oh. France, no France, no France, no France, no France. Let's see that. Senegal, yeah, Senegal would be good, Amy. But how am I going to get there now? How am I going to get there? That's the next question. Good evening, how are you? Stone Cold. Okuta, what's up? Okuta 1. Benin Republic, Idiwa, Benin, no. I know they come. Benin. So as you people don't want to tell me, so I gotta go. It's already 1 hour, 30 minutes. I spend, nobody can tell me where I should go. So nobody can tell me. I don't suffer. Una no want tell me where I will go enjoy. I know you, but I see your walk with me. I gotta go. Hence you want to help me. Abidjan. Yes, Abidjan is another good place. Ogwale 1. Abidjan is a good place to go. Yes, Abidjan, Switzerland. Yes, Switzerland. I've been to Switzerland 2 times. So what do I do now? I'm struggling. Nobody. Okay. I want everybody to, I'll put it on a vote in my page. Tell me what country I should go. And if you vote on that country, tell me how I will do it. I want to go there and have a good time. I have never been to Dubai. How many of you live in Dubai here? Anybody from Dubai? Anybody from Dubai? Anybody from Dubai? Finland. Finland, I heard, is a good place. 2. If I go to America, I think America, they say go to America. Now, wow. See Nigerian people. Okay, so I don't want to tell me. So no problem.
It's Mr. OJ on the beat.
It's nice and cute.
Oh, congratulations. Struggle continue. Congratulations. We are waiting your wife born. Waiting your wife born. Congratulations. I'm so happy. I need to have 3 children next year by the power of God. Every man and woman that is watching, that is going to watch this video, that is looking for a child, next year will be a blessing for you. We are going to have a lot of children next year in Jesus' mighty name. Man or woman, if you are looking for money, however it is, we are going to have money and have everything. Blessing will follow us throughout the days of our life in Jesus' mighty name. So congratulations for that newborn baby. Me, I need one. Again, I would need here. I'm waiting at that better. It time I know that. So I need 3 next year. So what I'm planning, I want my child to, I want to have a baby September, October, November. You know. So that's why I'm waiting. Then January, what are you take? What are you take? It was salad. But. It was salad. 3. What salad? If you don't Ghana, you know, I'm monopa. Or what beer? You know what American passport to me? Tay. Oh boy. Area. Anywhere that may go, everybody don't say I love woman. No. You don't say as I do or Lila. Serena say Serena Joko France. Andrew OC conflict. That mine, that OC conflict. I never see PFM member when it's street like Andrew just give me now bad belly. Andrew carry follow me. Serena, I go France. Serena, my own cousin, my own sister. You know, if you give me one mama your way, very good. I'm not saying more baby. I'm saying my mama your work baby. Serena, every no way. Serena, every no way. Ya nawe mara on the baby. Every no way. I'm not saying my mama your work baby Paris. We are now hotel. Can you imagine? Oh boy, that is not cool. Ni me wala ye was Europe. Yeah, why? Because you want to maybe whether you doing well, you not doing well, they not they respect you. He can't work better. Yeah, he twe work better yo. Wow, better work color yo, can your election. Abi, not be so. Can your election. God bless you. I beg, not promise what you cannot do to Jamaica. Jamaica, I know they smoke Igbo. So to say I know they smoke Igbo. So Jamaica is a wrong zone for me. May God not be you start time. God bless you. I mean, anybody when they bump again and they love them. Wow, color yo. Okay, what do you have to lose? Okay, you born for Mega Comrade. Automatic. Your picking will never look for visa. Is that not a blessing? Tell me. Some people come and say, hey, I'm going to sit down there when I'm going to fee. Even make one visa variana. You can't imagine. I get lobby the people who get passport. They don't get address. They don't get one room. Abi? They know if it's something with folly. So, so what do you got to lose? Nothing. What you got to lose? Nothing. So, if I go born with Larry Agua Boa, am I going to okay? Where my blessing I say, wherever me and no why na me say social media on the man say no can ya le Wamakume yene na kukuwa. Why worry? Why worry? Why worry? I mean not tane. I mean no really or you no get. Wakume efwa. Wamakume efwa ne. Well one na were se ma se no yale. Na wa. Ana enyo jare. No wa do yiko wa amana wa yo. Wa emi na no migo. If na no wa don. So if you are there, amen, my people, I too love now. God go bless you now. Eh? I don't greet you now. Finish. You know, see as we take into this show, we know say Obaseki na gay. So what? It's a gay. So you need to go and relax. You need to embrace gay community. Everybody already know that one. We want him to be supporting gay community, lesbian. He should not be a hypocrite. So that is the problem we have. Simple. He got the now one for you. So we know that one. If people know, Obaseki is a confirmed gay. So you need to be supporting gay community. Nigerian lesbian, none of they support me. Nigerian girl, none of they support me. I don't see as they bring on people, they come for una. So make una they happy. At least you people have one governor. The first gay governor in Nigeria, thanks to the people of Edo State. Now they vote. You know, say Edo State, they know they carry last for anything. Like they vote. So they say 1 year, it don't do. So now for the thank me, say mega comrade. He don't give us one governor. Obaseki is a confirmed one. Now look out now. I know as it be now. I know as it be. So I know as it be. So I love you guys. I gotta go. So bye. See you on Friday.
Mr. OJ on the beat.
It's nice and cute. OJ.
Yeah.
I don't know you, but I see your work, it is with me. We don't take when we suffer, we don't offend them. We go to school, we don't graduate too, but there is no job. We try Bolivia to cross the sea, and they return us. They start to talk about environment for so long. Selfishness and greediness, now in the kill our economy. Me and daughter have our government. Tell me why they got the lie about empowerment. Try don't reach to tell them.
Not everyone.
May they stop all their greediness. As you see me, so I know they fear them. Because this is what they do when you see them. Hey, already run on me go. We are the people of freedom. We no retreat, we no surrender. Until we are the people of freedom. We the walk for the chopper. There is no trace of freedom. They know they trust the way to migrate. But we are the people of freedom. Already run on me go. We are the people of freedom. We no retreat, we no surrender. Until we are the people of freedom. Complete the walk for the chopper. There is no trace of freedom. They know they trust the way to migrate. But the most searching. Oh yeah, should be if we follow John the movements of justice and peace. Make we try to stop the losing. Oh should be make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down. Oh should be make we follow John the movements of justice and peace. Make we try to stop the losing. Oh should be make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down. Why you say if election time go reach to campaign, they go turn beggars. When we don't vote for them, they don't sit down for seats. All of them they go turn Judas. If you ask me what the man go do, it be like say I get some for youth. There is a lot for us to do. If they go turn us to Momo, go to west, oh yeah, go to east. People they got to run because no food to eat. Now better come on no light. See us with the sun cause they put us for eat. I'm on with the para because we do the suffer. My fellow Nigerians, it's time for us to